6 Essential Estrogen Foods for Women. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that's all about empowering your health. We'll be discussing estrogen-rich foods specifically catered to women. Whether you're looking to balance hormones, boost vitality, or support overall well-being, these foods are essential. So, let's dive right in. Before we jump into the foods, let's briefly understand estrogen. Estrogen is a crucial hormone for women, responsible for various functions in the body, including regulating the menstrual cycle, supporting bone health, and even influencing mood. Now, let's explore the foods that can naturally boost your estrogen levels. 1. Flax seeds, the estrogen superstars. Our first superstar on the list is flax seeds. They are packed with lignans, which have estrogen-like properties and can help maintain hormonal balance. You can add flax seeds to your yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal for an easy estrogen boost. 2. Soy, nature's estrogen replacement. Next up, we have soy products like tofu and edamame. These contain phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. Including soy in your diet can help manage menopausal symptoms and support bone health. 3. Cruciferous Veggies, balancing act. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower are not only nutrient-rich but also contain compounds that can help balance estrogen levels. They're a delicious addition to your meals and salads. 4. Seeds and nuts, tiny powerhouses. Seeds and nuts like sesame seeds and almonds are packed with healthy fats and phytoestrogens that can promote hormonal health. Sprinkle them on your salads or enjoy them as a snack for a satisfying estrogen boost. 5. Fruits, nature's sweet estrogen source. Don't forget about fruits like apples, cherries, and pomegranates. They contain compounds that can support estrogen production in your body. Plus, they're a tasty way to satisfy your sweet cravings. 6. Whole grains, nutrient-rich choices. Whole grains like oats, barley, and quinoa are rich in fiber and nutrients that can help your body maintain steady estrogen levels. They're a versatile addition to your diet and can be used in various dishes. And there you have it, a selection of estrogen-rich foods that can empower your health as a woman. Remember that a balanced diet that includes these foods, along with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle, can contribute to overall well-being and hormonal harmony. Thank you for joining us today on this journey to empower your health with estrogen-rich foods. If you found this information valuable, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe.